Hello guys, so guys, this is a platform, a newly launched platform in which pays you to perform simple tasks on their platform daily to earn massively. So guys, this is how you can do your registration. The link to this site is going to be left in the description section. So all you need to do when you tap on it, you tap on the sign in, then you fill in your information like your full name, username, email address, password, and then you go ahead and create your account. So as you can see guys, this is how the dashboard looks like. So per click you get $2, and for each invite you get $20 each. So guys, this is how you can earn massively on this platform. So guys, as you can see over here, when you tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, this is what is going to be showing you. So as you can see, you have your tax and socials where you can perform your tax, like visit the tax centers, watch video, and your daily milestone for extra bonuses. Now when you tap on the daily tax, you are going to be seeing over here you can view some app tax and you earn $20 for each tax you do. So guys, this is how you can earn massively on this site every single day or every single time you spend on this platform. So guys, as you can also see, this is the cash out section where you can withdraw your earnings to your Trust Wallet or your PayPal or any available withdrawal info that is there. As you can see over here, I'm going to be showing you for USDT for the purpose of this video. Now when you tap on the payment method, as you can see, it's not set. All you need to do is to input your payment method. As you can see over here, select method. Now when you tap on the select method, you're going to be seeing your Paga, Payoneer, Google Play, Cash App, Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, Dogecoin, bank card, phone, Zilla, and Venmo. So I'm going to be choosing the USDT. Now all you need to do is to go to your Trust Wallet account, your Binance, or any other cryptocurrency wallet in which you use. Go over there, copy your USDT address, as you can see over here, copy it and paste it in that section on the site. Now when you copy it, you paste it there, as you can see over here, receiving account or receiving code. So you put your address there and you tap on OK. Now when you tap on OK, your address is going to be set successfully immediately. So guys, after that is done, all you need to do, when you see, as you can see the cash out over there, you tap on cash out, which is above here. Now when you tap on the cash out, as you can see on this my account, as you can see, I have insufficient balance on this account, and the minimum is $200 to